Hi, my name is Skylar Gray. I'm a product manager here with Sonance. And today we're at ISE 2020. We're going to talk about our new Patio series, which is launching at this show. So this is an outdoor system that's comprised of a subwoofer and 4 satellites. So this is a really great system that gives you an awesome entry-level price point. It allows you to basically build for smaller systems and come in at a lower price than what we've been able to offer in the past. So this is really great for small patios, small spaces where you really only need about 1,000 square foot or 100 square meters of coverage. So there are basically 2 configurations that you can buy. You can get, as you see here, the 4 satellites and the subwoofer. We also have that available as a system, including this amplifier here. It's a 2 by 125 watt amplifier. It has built-in DSP preset, so it makes it really easy to custom tune this thing to your space. You can expand this system all the way up to an 8.2 system, which includes 8 satellites and 2 subwoofers. So again, that's the Patio series from Sonance. Find out more at our website, www.sonance.com.